Hey everyone, happy Saturday or whatever day you're watching this. We got a rainy, dreary day here, but in the cabin it's nice. We're watching some off-grid TV, and we got the whole crew here. Sarah's brother Andy, and we're eating some hors d'oeuvres. And Beatrice is being a good dog, not trying to eat them. She's cleaning. I guess she's giving herself a bath. And one of the things that people always say, you need to take time to enjoy the place. Well, that's what we're doing today. We just had a big rainstorm, so Beatrice, Andy, and myself, that's my brother-in-law, we're going to go check out all the creeks and culverts. It's really fun to see everything when the water's flowing hard. You can probably hear all the ambient noise. It's just water rushing through everywhere. Check out the pond. It's pretty high. The only reason it's not more full is because I haven't built up this enough. Look at that water coming off there. We need to build this backside up higher so the water level goes higher. This ditching I made doesn't really actually do that much. Keeps a little bit off of the road. The first culvert, water comes off that hill and then comes under the road and out right here. That's pretty wild.
This tree snapped off.
It looks emptier in here. It looks like a couple of trees came down. Yeah. We lost a couple ash trees in here. And it's good to see this culvert's working. I made a video where I rented a John Deere excavator and I put that culvert in, and it goes under the road right here. And the ditch is full of leaves, but it's working. Water's coming off this high bank here and just going under and out there. It doesn't do much, but every little bit helps. Oh, there's like a little mini dam down there of just built up debris. I'm gonna check that out. Hey, buddy. Come, buddy, up here. Look at that look at the rocks like stacked up on that tree. Yeah. And you can see how full the main creek is down there. I hope we can see. I can see it. Everything's starting to get green. Beatrice. My dog's gonna kill me. Yeah. This is pretty good, Andy, huh? For how much rain we just got in such a short period of time.
Yeah.
How everything's pretty much dry, or it's supposed to be dry.
Definitely not going to sink too much on this road.
No.
Yeah, much of it.
You can see down the ravine. I don't want to hike the ravine too, but that's impossible with Beatrice. I got a little bit of water on here. I guess that's a pretty long run to collect water. But it's not moving fast enough to really cause issues. Alright, we're at culvert number 1. It's really, you can see up there where it comes from. And it goes into that culvert, under the road, and then out. Look at that. That's moving a lot of water. Creek over there. So cool. That landslide there happened while I owned this property. Oh, it's a little wet here. Shady camper. Hey, if anyone wants to salvage off this camper, contact me through the email form on my site. It has 0 undercarriage
It's very rusted out, but I figure like this logo here, maybe these windows, maybe these blinkers. I mean, some of this stuff has got to be salvageable. Because I got to get rid of this thing, and it's beyond a rebuild. I mean, it literally has no undercarriage. But some of this stuff, if collectors or rehabbers need it, just contact me. We got rocks. Rocks for building up the backside of the pond. And we got rocks for fixing the road. I did this ditch with the excavator when I first got it. It's doing its job. Really fun. Hey buddy, what are you doing? I love seeing this water coming down. It's so cool. And this time of year, without leaves on the trees, you can actually see where everything comes from. Alright, so this is Culvert. I forget what size they are. They're way, way big. Comes out here. I probably need to build some kind of embankment here just to prevent this from getting washed out into the road. It's kind of close to the road.
Take your excavator and you can borrow all that material on the right side.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Out, and then it won't impact as much.
Yeah. Oh, good idea. Did you do a lot of that already?
No.
To me it looked like it had been thinned out. Super cool. Sycamore. Sycamores are my favorite trees. 2 of them. Sycamores are like the Midwesterners of trees. They're always by the watering hole, and like if you look at their bark, it's like they're wearing pants and no shirt. Look, 3 of them right here. Yeah, I like sycamores so much, I'll literally move the road before I take down a sycamore. Another pretty good one right there. Check this out. I remember with the excavator I connected this to this culvert right here. Pickers. Oh wow, I gotta come clean this one out. That one's almost clogged up. Need some water, buddy? You thirsty? If you get wet, Sarah will kill me. Not wet. If you get in the water submerged, Sarah will kill me. Yeah. Well, this is like just the coolest thing to me. I love seeing water flowing. And then this is where it comes out. There's the road. Bud. And it goes under, comes out here. And that's like a lot of water. Really moving. Bud, let's go back up. That's already been a 20-minute video, so we'll turn it off. It's starting to rain again. I love seeing the water.
Okay, you ready?
Look at this.
You looked away from the camera. I said you looked away from the camera.
Well, I'm just tearing down the bedroom. And I'm in my jambas.
Alright, so in other news, the indoor shower works really good. It does a great job. Like, we just took 2 showers in here. Keeps all the water in. It's a great success. And some of my crazy ideas don't always work, but that shower worked fantastic. I just realized I never gave you guys a full view of the completed wall last week. So there it is. Alright, then of course we still got to trim out this wall, which really means just around the door and the baseboards and the chair rail. And then we're going to have to figure out a way to get up into this loft, which I've got some ideas, but I haven't really agreed, or I haven't come to a solid conclusion yet of what I want to do to get up there. Those things don't catch anything. We gotta move those. Alright, so last week I ran out of time before I could get the door hardware installed, so I'm gonna do that now.
Hole.
Yep, now I gotta drill one more. Alright, got a little hole there. Now we'll just clean it up with a chisel and we should be ready for the next step. So this is how I can tell how deep to cut out the focus. There we go. Alright, so I got this little marking depth gauge, and that'll tell me how deep to chisel this out. So just go like that. Alright, I got that chiseled out. Have one little bit where I went over, but it doesn't look too horrible, so let's get that put in. Lock it. Unlocked. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I also want to say a thanks to everyone who made a comment on my last cabin video and I was really struggling with some stuff. Your comments mean a lot to me and they really helped. I'm slowly working my way through them. I'm definitely going to respond to every one of them, but there's over 500. And I also want to thank my Patreon supporters. Thank you guys so much. I hope everyone enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.